let's take a look at the Bosch professional utility knife. So first things first, and first impressions, is that it fits nicely in the hand like that. This hard plastic feels well built. Safety catch to open it up. Doesn't come with a pre-installed knife, however you do get extra spare blades stored in the handle. I do like a utility knife what comes, especially a folding one, what comes with storage for spare blades. It's very easy to load it up. Simply push it in, push your blade into the end here, press this button to take it in to catch it. Feels comfortable, feels well built. Nice belt clip to put onto your belt, easy to fold away, feels really strong, and that it'll last, well, a lifetime really. There is a decent price at the moment, and you'll find that in the link in the description below. Overall, I think this is a well built, sturdy utility knife from Bosch, one well worth getting, and I do think how it's built will last a very long time, even a lifetime. So, do I recommend it? Yes. I think this will last many years. This thumb grip here keeps you nice and steady, especially if you've got some safety gloves on like this. So let me know what you think of it in the comments below. I recommend, if you're looking for a decent utility knife, this one could fit the bill.